Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to auto scroll on TikTok application. For this, first of all, just open up the TikTok application in your mobile. So auto scrolling is a great feature on TikTok because it means you can sit back and relax and video is going to automatically scroll when they go and end. So you may be wondering how you can go and activate it. Basically go and use auto scroll. So all you need to do is come to the TikTok homepage like so, and then what you need to do is just hold your finger on your video like this, and then it's going to go and open up this menu here, and as you can see we get a few different options, and at the top row options here we actually have one for auto scroll. So just go and activate this auto scroll. All you need to do is tap on it like so, and as you can see it says next spot will be shown automatically. So let me play this video. So when I play this video, as you can see in a moment the next video is just going to automatically scroll once it goes to end, just like that. As you can see the next video is scrolled once this video ends. Now if when you go and hold your finger on the video you don't see this option here, then the first thing I recommend doing is making sure you've got the most updated version on TikTok. So go back from the TikTok and open your Play Store or App Store depending on your device, and in the search bar just simply search for TikTok. As you can see, if there is any option of update, then what you need to do is you just have to tap on this update. It's going to update your TikTok application, and then after it's updated go back to TikTok and then go and see if you have the feature. If you don't have an update available for TikTok, you still don't have the auto scroll feature, then what you need to do is just simply wait, because this feature is still being rolled out to TikTok accounts. So just be patient, but yeah, hopefully shortly it will be available on your account. So that's pretty much it for this video. I hope this video was helpful. If it is, like it and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.